Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2026 Honda CBR650, a sport bike that blends everyday rideability with thrilling performance. With a refreshed design, enhanced engine tuning, and cutting-edge features, the 2026 model is set to elevate the middleweight sportbike category to new heights. Aggressive and aerodynamic design. The 2026 Honda CBR650 introduces a sharper, more aerodynamic silhouette with redesigned fairings, aggressive LED headlights, and a sleek tail section. New color schemes and sporty graphics make it stand out on the road, giving riders the perfect mix of style and performance-focused aesthetics. Engine and performance. Powered by an upgraded 649 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, the new CBR650 delivers smoother power delivery, improved mid-range torque, and thrilling top-end performance. Honda has optimized the exhaust system and fuel mapping, resulting in better throttle response and enhanced fuel efficiency without sacrificing its sporty DNA. Advanced technology. For 2026, the CBR650 receives a new TFT display with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, ride stats, and notifications on the go. The bike also comes equipped with multiple riding modes, improved traction control, and optional quickshifter technology for seamless gear changes during aggressive riding. Suspension and braking. The 2026 model features upgraded Showa suspension components for sharper handling and improved ride comfort. Dual radial-mounted front disc brakes with ABS ensure exceptional stopping power, while lightweight alloy wheels contribute to agile cornering and overall stability. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CBR650 redefines the middleweight sportbike experience with its striking design, exhilarating performance, and modern tech features. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or commuting in style, this motorcycle promises a thrilling yet practical ride for all enthusiasts.